So today we have a beautiful 72 Chevy to feature. So let's get into it. So this truck belongs to one of the gentlemen that works at the airport here. He drives this to work. It's a daily for him. He's done a ton of work on this thing, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's got a roll pan on the back. See a set of dual MagnaFlow tips peeking out. I see all brand new lights on it. We have a set of US Mag 18s. I love US Mags. It is a super clean truck. We have tinted windows. Beautiful white color. Looks like we have all new bumper and grille. And check that out. We have a small block with Fitech fuel injection. And we had a Holly setup. Was not happy with it, so switched over, and he's a lot happier with the Fitech system. I love the Chevy valve covers. It is absolutely spotless under here. He drives this thing around about 45 minutes to work. That is a good daily driver right there. Let's have a look inside. These are actually all of the signal lights that I've been waiting for months for the GMC. A beautiful white and gray interior. Love it. I love when people actually do the roof and everything too. All those little details really make the truck. So there you go. Just wanted to sneak in a quick feature of this truck. I've been waiting to feature it for a little while. Thought you guys might like it.